Hello everyone. This screencast is going to walk you through the process of using WeVideo to screencast a Google Slides presentation. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm already logged into WeVideo, and I've also signed up for WeVideo Premium through the GUHSD school district. Now I'm here in the dashboard, and you can see that I've already got a few different options right here under Create New. I can create a video, a recording, a GIF, yes I did say GIF, or a podcast. Now, the secret is that all of these are eventually going to land you in the same editing user interface. It's just a matter of fact of where you want to get started. So since I'm doing a screen recording, I'll go ahead and start there. Now it's going to ask you if you want to record from your webcam, your screen, or both. For this purpose, we're just going to go ahead and select our screen. You can also select which project folder you want it to be in. So I'm going to put it in my miscellaneous folder. It could ask you which audio source you want. You'll probably just go ahead and select the default or the built-in microphone for your Chromebook. But if you do have an external microphone hooked up for whatever reason, you can select it here. It's also going to ask you to record which screen. In my case, I do have two, but which screen you would like to share. And it's also going to ask for certain sharing permissions in your settings. It'll probably pop up somewhere around here. So go ahead and make sure you allow those permissions if you're recording for the first time. Okay, and you know that you're recording. You've got this little red dot right here in the on the tab. So I'm simply going to switch tabs over to my sample presentation, select Present, and navigate through my presentation. I can just talk and advance the slides as I go, and once I'm done, I return back to WeVideo, and at the bottom of your screen you should have something that looks like this. You can just go ahead and select Stop Sharing. You can record again if needed, and once you're done and happy with your recording, go ahead and hit Save. Now the nice thing about using WeVideo to record as opposed to some other screen recording option is that you now have full access to edit as necessary. So if there's ever a point where you stutter or there's a sentence that you mess up on and you want to go ahead and remove that, you can do that by just editing as you would any other WeVideo project. So you've got all kinds of options here. You can add additional media if you want to insert a separate video or images over the top or an animated title, background music, all the things that are available to you via WeVideo you can use in this screencast. So it provides itself a wonderful opportunity to kind of bring your screencast to the next level. And just remember, once you are done editing your screencast, you can jump right over here to Finish. Give it a proper name. My video one does not count. Select 720. You can move it right over to Google Drive by selecting this option right here. And once you select Export, your video will appear in your Google Drive WeVideo folder. Thanks for watching.